Christmas without a cake? Is that one too a Christmas? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining me once again if you're a returning subscriber. But if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Today we are making a moist apple banana dates cake. Yes, no milk, no sugar, but I bet your kids will enjoy it. So let's get baking. We will need some all-purpose flour, apples, bananas, eggs, granola, melted margarine, vanilla extract or vanilla essence, some baking powder, and dates. So I'll start by chopping my apples into smaller chunks and then set it aside. In a blender, I'll put in my bananas, dates, and eggs and blend till it's very smooth. Now we have our blended mixture here. I'll go ahead and add my flour and mix until everything is well mixed up with no lumps. You can use a mixer if you have one. Then I'll go ahead and add my baking powder and mix that in as well. Please remember to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my recipes. Now I'll go ahead and add in my melted margarine. So if you're using melted butter, unsalted butter for that matter, please remember to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll be adding my vanilla extract now and stir that also in properly so that it's well incorporated. At this point, my apples will go in and I'll give it a gentle mix. At this point, your oven should be heating at 180 degrees Celsius or gas mark 4. Now I'll go ahead and pour in my mixture into a greased and floured pan. Tap gently. Now as toppings, I'll be using granola from Kiki's Homemade Foods. My boy loves it. It can be eaten on its own and comes in 3 different varieties. You can add it to your ice cream and also to your porridges. I'll leave her Instagram handle in the description box. Go check her out. Now we are ready for the oven. Super moist, no sugar, no milk. Winging It with AC has a recipe for abele on her channel. If you combine with this cake, it will be bad. If you want to try this recipe for your baby, I'd advise you to grate the apples instead of chopping them up. Please leave a comment down below if you intend to try this recipe for our little bloomers during this festive season. That's it for today's video. Let's meet again when I share another nutritiously yummy homemade food. Till then, keep blooming.